Thank you for joining us. This video is going to show how to complete the step mapping for your 3D models, the 3D canvas in OrCAD, and how to complete collision detection. Copy any downloaded UltraLibrarian 3D models to the 3D Step Model library. To complete the step mapping, select Setup and Step Mapping. Under Available Step Packages, select Path. This will give you the path where your step models are stored. To map a step model, select the package and the corresponding step model. If needed, set the X, Y, and Z rotation and the X, Y, and Z offset. Do this for all of the components. Make sure to select Save after every step mapping. If any PCB footprints have been downloaded from UltraLibrarian, the step mapping is already completed for these components. To set the rotation and offset, either type the numbers in the desired location or use the increment button. For collision detection, I'm going to want to see where the USB intersects the enclosure. I'm going to add mechanical and map a USB to the USB port. You can change the view to make sure the 3D model is mapped correctly. Next, I'm going to add mechanical and map the enclosure. Using the 3D canvas in OrCAD, we will be able to turn this off and on to view our board. Save and close the step mapping window. To view the 3D canvas, select the 3D button from the toolbar or Display in 3D View. In the Symbols tab, click Off of Enclosure. You can select which layers are visible in the Visibility tab. You can select which models are visible in the Symbols tab. Turn the enclosure back on. Go to the Collision Detection tab. Choose Calculate. The problem components will appear in the window. To locate the component, right-click and choose Locate. This will make the component flash for easy detection. To rotate the board, hold down the Shift key and the middle mouse button, or you can use the preset views under View and Camera on the toolbar. Go to Setup and Preferences. Here you can set the color preferences and make sure the design is set to interactive. You can also view a cross-section of your model to help view collision and design structure issues. Cross-probe between 2D and 3D. I'm going to move the connector JP2 to line up with the existing cutout on the enclosure. Just click the part in the PCB and the changes will appear automatically in the 3D view. Once JP2 is at the correct location, quickly reroute those connections. To complete a measurement in 3D, right-click and select Measure. Click the points you would like to measure. Right-click and Done. The measurements will appear in the Options tab. Map a new enclosure and run the collision detection again to ensure the errors were resolved. Select File and Export to export a variety of formats including step models or a 3D PDF. Thank you for joining us for the OrCAD PCB Editor tutorial.